everyone, so today's video is on classy and sophisticated hairstyles that are perfect for events or even work, so I really hope you like it, and let's start. So before I start this look, I'm spraying some heat protectant from Mark Hill all over my hair to protect it from the heat. Then I'm creating a side parting and tucking some of my hair behind my ear and pulling it all to one side. Next, I'm taking the Pick and Mix wand handle and attaching the medium curl barrel from the Mark Hill Pick and Mix range to it, and that's what's cool about this wand, is that you can attach different barrels from the range to the handle to achieve different looks. So I'm taking a section a similar width to the barrel and wrapping the hair in front of it so the curls fall towards my face. You want to keep picking up pieces of a similar width and wrapping them in front of the wand so that they all flow in the same direction. So then for the opposite side of my head, I'm wrapping the hair behind the wand, so again the hair is flowing in the same direction all the way around my head. Once all of the hair is curled, I'm taking the Frizz Control anti-humidity spray and spraying that all over the hairstyle so it stays in place and also looks and feels really smooth. Then I'm just running through all the curls with my fingers and also a brush just to make them all blend together nicely. Next, to tame my flyaways, I'm taking the taming polish and just running that over the look, and then that is it. This second look is very simple and quick to do. I'm creating a middle parting in my hair by measuring up from my nose. And then I'm tucking the hair behind my ears and taking a hair grip and gripping the hair behind to make sure that it stays in place. Next, I'm taking the Miracoilous Moroccan argan oil and just applying that all over the hair to make it really smooth and sleek. I'm taking a little bit of the taming polish too, just to tidy up any flyaways, and then that is this simple, sleek look. It's so weird watching these clips back and trying to explain how I did things, but hopefully it's clear enough for you guys to get what I mean at least. So for this next look, it's basically a continuation from the last one. My hair is in a middle parting and tucked behind my ears, but this time I'm gathering all of my hair into a ponytail at the nape of my neck. I pull the hairband halfway down the pony, scooping the ends up and holding them into a bun shape. Then I twist the hairband again and wrap it around the bun. It sounds pretty complicated, but it really isn't when you get the hang of it, so I'll play the clip again to make it easier so you can see it rather than me try and explain. So now I've made the bun, I'm just picking up all of the leftover bits and neatly wrapping them around it and gripping them in place with some hair grips, as well as just pulling at the bun to make it fuller. Next, I'm taking the Extreme Freezehold hairspray and spraying it all over the hairstyle so it stays in place all day, and then that is the third hairstyle. To start this hairstyle, I've left two pieces of hair out at the front of my face and gathered the rest of the hair back into a ponytail position. I'm taking the hair tie, pulling it halfway down the hair, twisting the ends up into a bun again, and then twisting the band around the bun just like I did for my last look. Again, I'm pulling at the bun to make it looser and fuller and just gripping any loose bits up to make it neater. I'm taking the taming polish and just running that through the strands I left around my face to make the style look even neater and more polished, and then that is it. And then onto the final look. To create this neat high bun, I'm brushing all of my hair up into a neat high ponytail at the top of my head. I'm just pulling at the ponytail to make it tighter and higher. Next, I'm holding onto the base of the ponytail with my fingers and wrapping the ends around the base to make a bun shape. Now I'm taking another hair tie and tying that around the bun to hold it all in place. Next, I'm pulling at the bun to make it fuller, and again just adding some hair growths, but I feel like I need them to keep the hairstyle in place. And then that is how to create a neat high bun. Let me know which hairstyle was your favourite in the comments, because I always love to know what you think, and maybe if there's any other hair looks you'd like me to create, I'm so happy to do that. So that is it. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that it helped you. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you did like it, because that would mean so much to me and you'll be able to see when I next upload a hair video. Have a great day and I'll speak to you all in my next one. Bye guys.